Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to teach you in Burmese language. So who want to learn Burmese? Actually my language in my country, my Myanmar, official language is Burmese. We have also more than 100 dialects. So that's the official language for the government, the country is Burmese. Okay, firstly I want to teach you. Today we use like daily conversation, daily words. We always say. Okay, firstly, I want to test you. How are you? How to say in Burmese? How are you? How are you? Is you can say ne kong la, ne kong la, ne kong la is how are you? Ne kong la, ne kong la, ne kong la, ne kong la. Okay, so it's easy, right? So, but I want to say something before I go to another words. In Myanmar, in my country, we don't usually say, "How are you?" when we see your friends or some new person, new friends, or when you see someone, you don't ask to "How are you?" We don't. We just ask, "Have you eaten yet?" Have you eaten yet? Because we realize that if you are not feeling good, you don't go the outside. Well, exception when you call the phone to your friend, when you call to your friend, how are you? Or it's okay. But when you see your friend face to face, or your friend or your coworker or your family, if you see our face to face, so it means you're feeling good, you're fine, no sick, no headache, no stomachache, So uh, we don't usually say how are you we see the first when you see a friend face to face, we just say have you eaten yet, yeah, what curry you had something like that, so you remember the first word ni kang la, ni kang la, ni kang la. Okay, the most important words everybody will have to know in my language. We say hello. How to say hello in Myanmar? Hello, hi, something like that. Mingalaba, 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 mingalaba. Okay, you got it. Mingalaba, and so I think I hope you got it. 2 words today, and then I want to say more words. And very important for everyone. Everybody have to say every day. That's how to say I love you in Burmese. I love you. We can say very long. You have to listen carefully. Nga mingo shite. Nga nga mingo shite. Nga mingo shite. Nga mingo shite. Nga mingo shite. Nga is me. Mingo is like you. Me is you. Go. Shite is love. But you can say like the people, your friend or your audience, your family, you just say "Shite, I love you," something like that. You can just say love, but it's the polite way. You have to say uh, ngamingo shite, ngamingo shite. But usually, when for the people who who learning my language, you have to maybe it might be difficult for you. You just say "Shite, I love you," something like that. Love you. So this is ngamingo shite, and the last words, today we just teach only 4 words, okay? The last words, that is how to say thank you in Burmese. How to say thank you? Okay, we will say Jesuwa. We have the 2 way, we have the polite way or uh, impolite way. No, impolite when you talk to your friend or your family, that person you always see every day, So we can say 2 way. First way, you can say Jesu Timbade, Jesu, Jesu, Jesu Timbade, Jesu Timbade, Jesu Timbade. Timbade is polite, Bade, Bade, Jesu Timbade. So in other way, you can say Jesuba, 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 Jesu Timbade. Okay. So today I teach you 4 words. The first word is hello. 你刚啦 sorry hello Minglaba Minglaba is hello 你刚啦 how are you I love you 我们过去的 and the last word thank you 结束吧 or 结束点吧 do you remember I hope you can learn Burmese language because I believe that my language is very beautiful. So I can say thank you in other languages. I can say so. Hello, hello, สวัสดีครับ hola, konnichiwa, ni hao, jin chào. And then was hello, ¿cómo está? Okay, thank you, 谢谢 ขอบคุณครับ okay, thank you everyone. So in the next video, see you in the next video. Okay, bye.